Hey guys, my name is Chad and welcome to Purely Remote, the channel that is all about bringing you all the info you need to start and grow your online business. In today's video, I'm going to be going over exactly what affiliate marketing is, some common questions we've received from people along the way, and also how you can get started. Okay, so I think the best place to start is by explaining exactly what affiliate marketing is. So in a nutshell, this is how it works. When a company has an affiliate program, you can sign up with them directly through their website and you'll receive a unique link. The unique link can either be for the entire company or for specific products. Now that unique link that you receive will be used to put onto your website, onto your blog, onto a YouTube channel, and it is essentially a tracking link. So when a customer clicks on that link and they actually make a purchase, because that link is specific to you as an affiliate, it can be tracked, and that's how they know that the sale came from you, and in turn you would get a commission because you made a sale for the company. And that is pretty much the basic cycle of affiliate marketing. Now, what exactly makes affiliate marketing such a great business to get into to make money online? Well, for starters, you don't need your own products that you need to manufacture. You don't need to worry about any shipping from any orders that you receive. Because you choose which companies you are going to sign up with as an affiliate, you're in full control over the products you promote. And finally, and this is probably my favorite thing, it is a business that generates or that is able to generate money for you 24/7, 365 days a year. Now, if you have any questions about affiliate marketing, I'm going to go over some of the most common questions that we've received, and hopefully it'll answer some of those questions you have. The first question that we receive very often is affiliate marketing a scam? And the simple answer to that is no. Affiliate marketing is a total legit business to get into. In fact, some of the biggest brands in the world actually have affiliate programs. If it was illegal, then they wouldn't be affiliated with the system in any way. The next question is, I have a full-time job, how much time do I need to spend on this? Well, that is entirely up to you. You could spend as little as 1 to 2 hours per day and still end up making some pretty good side hustle money from it. Do I have to be from the US to start affiliate marketing? Not at all. We're from South Africa, so the simple answer is no, you can pretty much do it from any country. Can you actually make money with affiliate marketing? The answer to that is yes, you can. Now, affiliate marketing is not some kind of get-rich-quick scheme. I just feel that I need to put that out there. You're not going to start affiliate marketing today, be a millionaire by tomorrow. It does take some work. It does take time and effort as well. However, yes, you absolutely can make enough money to even be able to one day leave your 9-to-5 job if you really want to. How much does it cost to start affiliate marketing? Well, to sign up with various companies as an affiliate is completely free. However, if you want to do it properly and actually build a business out of it, you will find that you are going to incur some costs naturally starting a business. However, these costs are not high at all. In fact, it's lower than any other business I've tried to start in the past. Just to give you a quick idea, we were able to get our affiliate marketing business up and running off the ground, including the training, for under $12. Now, if you're from where we are, from South Africa, that is roughly 180 Rand. How do I start affiliate marketing? Well, there's kind of two answers to this question. The first way is that you could choose to go at it completely on your own. Look for information online, whether it's YouTube or Google how to start affiliate marketing. The downside of that is there is a lot of information that you're going to find, and not all of that information is necessarily super accurate or very helpful. So it can get quite frustrating having to spend all that time researching and feel like you're getting nowhere. That is pretty much how we felt when we first were introduced to affiliate marketing a few years ago. So to save you all of that hassle and frustration, we've created a free training program called Clone Our Business. And Clone Our Business is essentially everything that we use to get our online business up and running and basically making money within its first month. It includes all of the exact tools and strategies that we learned when we were first starting out, and that allowed us to get our business started from scratch and pretty much receiving sales within 4 days. So if you want access to our free training program, just head down into the description and click the link to Clone Our Business. And that is it, affiliate marketing in a nutshell and how to get started. If you did find this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, we will be dropping some more videos all about making money online. So if you're into that, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if there are any questions that I haven't answered in this video that you might still have, just drop us a comment. We'll be sure to get back to you. Until next time.